pieces of dead deer. Looks like somebody dropped off a deer here and it got all scattered around. Anyway, I don't know the name of this road, but it has a number. Coming from Waynesboro, we turned left at the Sherando grocery store. Came up this road right to the end of the pavement. And we got a gate across the lane. This is just inside the National Forest. It's a Forest Service road. So this is where we're going to walk today. This road goes up here, I don't know, 4 or 6 miles. Ooh, somebody big was here. Those log trucks. Last fall, they were logging up here a bunch. So we'll see what kind of mess they made. Now, why would somebody bring a couch all the way out here and take the trouble to throw it in the woods? Oh, and the landfill is free. Beats the heck out of me. Today on Hiking with Sheila Blue, we have our friend Max, Boston Terrier. And we're going to see what we can find up this road. One other vehicle down here with ours, so maybe we'll run into somebody else. Well, it seems we weren't enjoying that hike on that gravel road very much. We came to a Y and I asked Sheila if she wanted to go left or right. And she thought a minute and turned around and walked 3 steps back and looked down the road we just came up and then looked over her shoulder at me saying, "I think I'd just as soon go back." She wasn't having any fun for some reason. So, we came on up to the Blue Ridge Parkway. Oh my. Nah, you're not supposed to eat deer poop. Get out of here. Come on. And just about a half a mile before Humpback Rocks Visitor Center, we just pulled over and walked up the hill. And we are just up on top of it now. And Sheila is having a lot more fun. She found big trees to walk on. And there's hardly any thorns. And no scratchy gravel on her paws. Can you jump up there? Well, that's a big old tree. You can almost jump up on that. Oh, it's just a little bit too big. And across the valley over there, the next hill is Pine Ridge. That's where we went hiking a couple days ago with Brandy. We walked right down the spine of that ridge, about a mile. And that's just outside the park property, and this is inside it. Oh, we're coming to some big rocks. See what happens here. The little road we were on before was down on the other side of Pine Ridge. And the rock there is all soft, chalky, beige-colored stone, very soft. And when these mountains pushed up, that was the soft rock that acted as the lubricant that this mountain rode up on. So now we're on the hard greenstone, deep basement rock that buckled and slid up on top of the younger, softer rock. So if we were here when it was happening, this part would be going up. So We're on the upper side of that big thrust fault. Of course, there used to be a whole lot more mountain on top of this. This is down at the bottom, the basement of the mountain. And all of that upper stuff has washed away in the few 100 million years. I guess it wasn't that long since this faulted. Maybe, yeah, I guess. A few hundred. Oh, we got a nice big cliff up here. We'll have to go up and stand on that big rock. Sheila does appreciate a big rock. Good place to look for deer. Boy, it's just cliff after cliff after cliff. All the way down. Maybe we'll just go around the top of this hill, along the top of all these cliffs. And then we'll go back over and come out at the Visitor Center at Humpback Rocks. Boy, good place to take a look. See anybody? Whoop, look out, I about stepped on you. Let's go up this way. More big rocks. I bet these go all the way along the back side of this hill. Even some low cliffs up here above us. Where are we going now? Max says, let's go this way. I look down the cliff. I'm going to go up. Well, Max figured, hey, Sheila's up too. Hello, doggies. You got up on the big rock. Well, that is a big rock. Found the way up on the back. Let's see where you got up there. Oh yeah. The uphill side's not so tough, huh? Well done. Okay, let's go over this hill. I think we're just right up behind the Humpback Rocks Visitor Center. We're sort of going to follow around at this altitude because it's down low. There's no sense in climbing all the way to the top. There's good things to do right here at this level. Good rocks to climb. Rocks to get up on and take a look. The wind is picking up. It's supposed to start raining this evening and rain 2 inches by tomorrow night. So we're going to finally have a spring soaker. In a couple of days, there'll just be water running everywhere out here. You guys see any deer? Are you looking? I see a Sheila and a Max. Good boy, Max. You ready for your pay now? Huh? You ready to get paid for doing good? Okay. You will be excellent for chicken, won't you? Sheila says, I'm too busy for chicken. Okay, we crossed a little saddle back here between that hump and what I guess is the last hump before the Humpback Rocks Visitor Center. And we have come to one last big pile of rock. Boy, these have been sitting up here holding up this mountain for a long time. Oh, Max is going up. Maybe not. That's a big one, isn't it? Can we go up there? It's pretty big. We'll take this one. It's a little bit easier. Boy, they're sticking up all over. All kind of big rocks to step on. Well, we're going to wander between them. Boy, these big rocks all lean the same way. You can see the angle that this mountain was pushed up at when Iapetus Ocean closed up before the Atlantic Ocean formed. There must have been some amazing earthquakes as all of this stuff got pushed way up. Another big rock to climb on. Sorry if I'm shaking the camera, but I'm climbing over sticks and stepping in holes and all kinds of stuff. What do you see? Okay, let's keep going. Maybe this is the last big rock. Boy, it's a big round one. I don't know if we can climb up on this one. Oh boy, that was a good climb. Got up most of it. You going clear to the top, Max? I don't know, that's pretty high. Come on, let's go. You want to go up? How are you going to do it? These rocks are pretty smooth. Not a lot of places to step. I think maybe we'll go down. And that looks like that's the last one. This big one is the end of the row. So here on, just hill. Oh, there's a little one over there. That's about it.